Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to effectively use snapping in MicroSurvey CAD. Now, this is a hefty video, but snapping is one of the most important features in any CAD program, and it's something that you will heavily rely on in any drawing. Here, I'm only going to go over the most commonly used. So the snap menu can be found either in the Draw toolbar or right here, just above the main viewport. The first snap type is the nearest snap. Denoted by this hourglass feature, it snaps your cursor to the nearest point on a line or curve. Definitely the most versatile. Next, there's the endpoint snap. Denoted by a little square, this one snaps you to the end of any arc or line. Next, there's the midpoint snap. Denoted by a little triangle, it snaps you to the exact middle of an arc or line. Next, there's the center snap. Denoted by a little circle, it snaps you to the exact center of a circle or even an arc. Just be aware, though, that if your arc is too shallow, it's pretty tough to find the center. You can still snap to the center by clicking the arc itself. As you can see, this line is fixed to the center of this shallow arc. Next, there's the perpendicular snap, which can work in a couple different ways. If you start on a point, it'll snap to the right spot on the surrounding lines that make a 90-degree angle. As you can see, if I start at the end point of this line, I can snap to the red lines below it at a perfect orthogonal angle. However, if I start on a line, the start point will move with my cursor, ensuring a right angle no matter where I end it. This even works with arcs. As long as I click the arc first, the new line will remain orthogonal to the arc. Next, there's the tangent snap. This one acts similarly to the perpendicular snap. If I start on some random point, it'll snap to whatever point on a circle or arc that is tangent to that point. If, however, I start on the circle or arc itself, it will continually move my start point to ensure that the line remains tangent to that curve. It may take some time to get a handle on how this works, but once you do, it's dead useful. Next, there's the intersection snap. Denoted by an X, it'll snap to the intersection between two objects. Lastly, there's grid snapping. It automatically snaps to the reference grid behind your drawing, which can be pretty useful for drawing right angles and basic shapes very quickly. Just one more thing before we finish. Selecting the type of snap before you start drawing an object, like how I've done this whole video, will permanently turn it on or off. However, if you're in the middle of drawing something and you select a snap, that snap will be on for only a single click. As soon as I click, notice that everything reverts back to how it was before. This is for those times when you need to snap to only 1 or 2 points before continuing on with your drawing. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching to the end. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.